Hi, welcome to my another video today. I will help you choose the 5 best Delta 3D printer on the market. I have made it based on my personal researches, and I am trying to list those based on price, quality, and more. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting number 1, Monoprice Mini Delta. As the name suggests, this Delta printer is smaller than others on this list. The small size is accompanied by a small price tag. For less than $300, you can have a fully functional Delta printer. The thing that's hard to believe is how many features they crammed into this printer. It has an auto-leveling bed, a heated print bed, a huge LCD screen, and a metal framework that minimizes vibrations. On top of that, the machine comes fully assembled, so there's no need to spend time assembling it. The print quality and print speed are nothing special, but that's to be expected because of how affordable the machine is. This low-cost option also allows for wireless printing, which means you can cue your printer without being anywhere near it. At number 2, Anycubic Delta Linear Plus. The Anycubic Delta Linear Plus is for you if you're looking for great performance without breaking the bank. And for beginners who want to get started with Delta 3D printers. The printer is semi-assembled, which means you're going to spend a few hours putting the rest of it together and as a result learn how Delta 3D printers operate. This machine is super robust, thanks to its metal framework. Its overall quality and performance is remarkable, especially in this price category. It also has a heated print bed. You can print PLA and ABS without warping. However, the filament spool is side-fed, which causes some reliability issues. The build volume is generous, and the resolution isn't bad either. Even though Anycubic has a great team of support, it seems that a few customers received defective parts. We didn't, so make sure there's a solid exchange/refund policy. Overall, this printer is great if you're looking for more without breaking the bank. At number 3, Frankens Box FX 800. This little-known company churned out a really high-quality printer. The machine can print quietly, though it's a little slow. Though the printer has a small build volume, it shows great accuracy when printing small parts. Additionally, it comes fully enclosed, which helps maintain a constant temperature and optimize each print. The print bed automatically levels with one button, and the unit allows for wireless printing. If you have any problems within the first year of owning it, Frankens Box's warranty will completely cover your problem. The great thing about this printer is how easy it is to use. Nearly everything is automated, and it takes very little effort to get a great print. You'll call yourself Dr. Frankens Box when you use this convenient Delta printer. At number 4, Wasp 2040 Pro Turbo. If you want to see some real speed, you need to check out the 2040 Pro Turbo by Wasp. Float like a butterfly, print like a wasp. Wasp claims that this printer is the fastest 3D printer in the world. It achieves speeds up to 600 mm per second and makes it look easy. Despite printing fast, it also prints accurately. The aluminum frame keeps everything sturdy while the head zips around. The bed automatically levels itself and heats up to allow for different filament materials to be printed onto it. You can pause or stop a print, then resume where you left off. It also stops printing when it notices you're out of filament. This machine is also super reliable. This all comes at a cost, though. This machine sells for around $3,400. At number 5, Flsun QQS. This unit's claim to fame is the whisper that it prints at. The build volume is really big, and the price is higher than the comparable units on this list. One of the reasons for this is the touchscreen it's equipped with. Another is the high speed it can print at. This printer also has the feature that will resume a print after it's paused or stopped. Out of the box, it takes about a half hour to finish the assembly and set up before you can start printing. The filament is top-fed, which is great, which prevents. Yet another great feature is its unique lattice build plate, which makes it easy to remove prints. Overall, this printer is a great pick if you want the option to print big, fast, and silently.
So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.